Welcome to the Cherokee Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2006 Krone EC4013CV in good condition. Let's take a closer look at the features on this disc mower. This Krone EC4013CV is 13 feet wide and features hydraulic lift and breakaway latch, along with a Flail with 2-speed gearbox, and is powered by 1000 RPM power takeoff. Thank you for viewing this 2006 Krone EC4013CV. Interested in this disc mower? Give our sales staff a call at 877-866-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.